Hey guys, so I'm back as promised. It is late at night. My day got a little busy, but these are the cosmetics, the lippies. I believe there's something extra in here. So we're gonna open the first one. Let's see. Just rip it open. Okay, it's a balm eyeliner. So that's pretty dark. I like it. It's gonna give those great winged lines. Okay, so we're on to thing number 2. Ooh. This, oh, it's a nude. Okay, let's see how that looks. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Almost looks like a purple. I can't wait to wear that. 2. Lippy number 3. And these are matte, by the way. Look at that color. Ooh. So let's see. Ooh, that's nice. I gotta get the name of these. So I'm gonna actually put on the last one. Because it matches my onesie. And it's gonna be a little shiny because I have on lip gloss. Okay, and that's the final product. Okay, so go get you some Lyrical Lips by Melanie.